Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar has said he will travel to New Delhi for discussions on the long-pending cabinet expansion as soon as the Congress High Command gives him an appointment. Speaking in Bengaluru on July 13th, Shivakumar said there was no delay from his side and that the assembly session, scheduled to begin on August 6th, was currently his priority. He added that he expected to receive a date from the party leadership within the next few days. Karnataka currently has 20 vacant ministerial posts, while lobbying for cabinet berths has intensified within the Congress. On the Kaveri water issue, the Chief Minister said the government would take a final decision after a meeting on July 15th. He said the state would protect the interest of farmers in Mandya while also complying with legal obligations regarding water release to Tamil Nadu. Shivakumar also confirmed that the governor had suspended the Karnataka Public Service Commission chairman and said the government had directed the senior-most official to take charge to ensure the commission's work continues without disruption. On the proposal relating to the first Aarti at Tirupati, he said Karnataka wanted its elected representatives to be allowed to participate while fully respecting the temple's traditions and existing protocol.